Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tony, our office manager Rob, and Joe, and today we are going to test out the Enola Gaye exploding paint grenades. We finally got them in the corner trapped. Here we go, guys. All right, Rob. Well, this is about to go down here. Are you ready for this?
I guess so. We'll see.
I don't think he knew what he was walking into today.
This is it.
This morning
I don't think so.
Juggle them up, shake them up.
By the way, go grab a coverall. We got a video to shoot.
Pulled him out of the office. He was sitting at his desk, and now we're like, Rob, we've got to go outside and do a little video. Sorry.
Lucky me.
Sorry. Here.
So, straight up.
Yes.
Any last words, Rob?
Any last words?
Let's do this.
Let's do a 3,
3, 2, yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. How was that, buddy?
Grab me a little bit.
Well, Rob, looks like you're pretty dirty, man. You might need this to clean off.
Oh, thank you.
Does it really work just like that?
Yeah, just like that.
That's magic. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Thanks again. Check us out.